Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we are diving in the world of 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂, a popular online earning platform that promises easy money in exchange for completing simple tasks. 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 pays you cash to take surveys, pretty much. Share your opinions with thousands of brand partners and start making money today. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the pros and cons of using 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 to help you decide if it's worth your time and effort. But before, let me introduce myself. If you're here for the first time, my name is Felix. And if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI apps, filling out surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right place, on the right video, and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. Alright, let's get right into this and start with the pros. One of the biggest advantages of using 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 is the flexibility it offers. You can complete tasks from the comfort of your own home, on your own schedule. This makes it a great option for those looking to earn some extra cash without committing a traditional 9-to-5 job. 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 is free to join and it guarantees you a $1 for your first survey. 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 is also available in all countries and works with brands, companies, and academic institutions to provide you with paid survey opportunities. Additionally, 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 offers a variety of tasks to choose from, ranging from surveys to app downloads, so you can find something that suits your interest and skills. Another pro, according to 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂, is potential for high earnings. Now, while it may take some time to build up your points and cash out, many users report making a decent amount of money throughout the platform. This can be especially helpful for students or stay-at-home parents looking to supplement their income. Alright, let's talk about money now. The minimum amount required to cash out is $5. Once you make a cash out request, it will take 1 to 2 days for your funds to reach your PayPal account. There are rare cases where your payment might be delayed for a couple of extra days, but usually they will usually make sure to let you know in app when that happens. However, there are also some cons to consider. One of the biggest drawbacks of 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 is the risk of scam. While the platform itself is legitimate, there are always scammers that looking to take advantage of unsuspecting users. It is important to be cautious when completing tasks and to avoid sharing personal information or clicking on suspicious links. Additionally, some users report that it can be difficult to earn a significant amount of money on 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂. The tasks available may not always pay well, starting only at 20 cents per survey, and it can take a long time to reach the minimum cash out amount. This may not be the best option for those looking to make quick buck. The availability of surveys is constantly fluctuating, but they will alert you when you qualify for a new survey. So make sure to turn on device location and notification. Another bonus of it is they will also make you eligible for special location-specific bonuses where you make money based on what stores you shop. Now, according to 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂, you can also earn more on 𝗷𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗂 by 1. leaving thoughtful, well-written responses. 2, taking more surveys often. And 3, putting yourself into the surveys maker's shoes. This will help you to qualify for more surveys and have more chances to be matched with the highest paying surveys. There's no limit to how much you can make on Bananabucks. Their power users have lifetime earnings in the thousands of dollars and have been loyal since the start. Now, the typical Bananabucks users is able to reach their minimum cash out balance in their first couple of days. Getting to $5 supposedly is pretty easy. But let's read what actual people do say about it. So these couple of reviews here that are the most recent ones. It says, it would be amazing if it did not have so many problems with the surveys. Every time something happens with the phone, whether it's needed to access other apps or get a message, etc., you cannot go back to the survey. If you already answered a big part, you will lose everything and won't get a cent for it. Often the predicted time to respond does not match the reality. It says often 6 to 12 minutes and it ends up taking 30 to 40 minutes. Problems with uploading or finishing the surveys lead to loss of all reward. This one has been posted on March 4th, 2024, so pretty much a week ago. It is a legit app, and I have been able to cash out my first payment. One thing I liked about this app is that it gives you 2 cents daily, but there are no available survey most of the time, and when it does, the reward for the most of the surveys are below average compared to the time spent on them in my experience. Okay, this one is on March 7th, 2024. Every payout is a battle to get, and not a lot of surveys that you can do, or the surveys are broken or you don't qualify. It takes forever for the payouts to happen, and contact, email, and support do not reply. Still awaiting payout request and no payment. It takes forever to reach the limit of $5 payout. There you go. Okay? So, in conclusion, I want you to understand something important. If all those people's negative reviews would be all positive and everything with Bananabucks would be smooth, we still have one serious issue to deal with, and that is a minuscule amount of potential earnings. And if that's the case, why even bother? In fact, if there are ways to earn much more money online and on a consistent basis. Look, I've got my favorite strategy that has been earning me $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and I wanted to give you this strategy for free. Just click on the link in the description box, enter your information, and I'll send it right over to you. Check it out. You have nothing to lose, but definitely a lot to gain. However, if you decide to try Bananabucks, it is very important to be cautious of scams and to manage your expectations when it comes to how much you can earn. Ultimately, whether or not Bananabucks is worth it, it will depend on your individual goals and circumstances. So, that's it. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you have any experience with Bananabucks.co, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you did find this video review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video review. Bye-bye.